Hi there, I'm meteorologist Marielle Ruiz. Thanks for joining us on WFAA Plus for your 2:30 p.m. update. Happy to report no active warnings right now in North Texas, but we do see a couple of warnings north of the Red River in Oklahoma there, just off of I-35. Not only a flash flood warning, but also a severe thunderstorm warning for these clusters of thunderstorms that have developed and are slowly pushing towards the south. Right now, we do have an additional cluster of storms right around Bonham and Paris. Again, no active warnings at this time. And we're also watching this. You see that cloud cover? That's actually an outflow. And right along the outflow, we're seeing a couple of thunderstorms try to develop. This is near Wichita Falls and Archer City. We are taking a closer look, though, across the Metroplex, looking clear. So we did have one severe thunderstorm warning that was near Gainesville about 2 hours ago. And what's happened is that storm eventually pushed off towards the southeast, and you see a lot of this starting to weaken and eventually completely clearing out. In fact, as we move towards the southeast there, you see those storms really that had quite a bit of lightning while they were over Gainesville, lost a lot of that lightning, and that's a really good indication of a storm weakening. That's exactly what we're seeing this afternoon. So right now in Collin County, we could see a few showers along the northern edge, but for the most part, it looks clear. And I do believe we have a live picture out of Collin County, out of McKinney. And you can see there, you can see the cloud cover overhead. You do see some blue sky as well, but some of that cloud cover just left over from the storms that were trying to work their way into Collin County. But right now, McKinney looking dry. Let's go ahead and take you back to our radar. Radar right now showing again that activity right along the Red River, closer towards Bonham and Paris. Closer in at Collin County, we're looking at maybe just a few little showers there north of Anna along 75 towards the Red River. Collin County, the rest of it at least looking pretty dry. Just some cloud cover overhead like we just showed you on that image. So we'll be watching again that cluster of thunderstorms, but also these outflow-induced thunderstorms that just popped up south of Wichita Falls. And right now those do not look severe, but they are looking like they are growing. So we'll continue to watch that. Right now, we are looking at these storms pushing towards the south, and we'll continue to see that. And because of the storm potential for this afternoon, we do have a WFAA weather alert day. And our WFAA weather alert day is for this afternoon, specifically until 8 in the evening. The impact will be that thunderstorms that develop could produce quarter to golf ball size hail, 60+ mile per hour wind gusts. The quarter to golf ball size hail, that's going to be in the strongest of storms. That does not mean every storm will produce this. We just have a lot of moisture to work with this afternoon, and we also have a bit of instability to work with as well. What you need to do right now is what you're doing is making sure you're staying updated, have a way to receive warnings, and make sure to have WFAA Plus downloaded onto your smart TV. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch for a few counties. This does not include all of North Texas, but it does include Wise, Denton, Collin, Hunt County towards the north and across the Red River into Oklahoma. And this is in place until 4. We could very well see a few more counties being added to this as the afternoon continues, so we'll keep you posted on that. And I'm telling you that because Storm Prediction Center has actually highlighted parts of North Texas under a level 3 enhanced risk. That's a level 3 out of 5 for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. That's where we're looking at the more likelihood of strong storms developing. We talked about the severe threats already, the large hail and the strong winds. There is a small sliver of Collin County, Dallas, Tarrant County, Denton County is included in this, Wise County towards Wichita Falls. So again, we'll be watching this area closely for thunderstorm production this afternoon. We do have one model that is showing a few of those thunderstorms moving in. I'm going to take you to 4 this afternoon because at 4, we'll be watching a cluster of thunderstorms exiting Oklahoma, moving south into North Texas. And that's when we could see some of these storms ramp up. So I'm showing you between 4 and 5 now. You see that cluster of storms kind of working its way towards the south. That's now at 6. That's now around 7. You see those storms progressing towards the south, not the normal movement that we see here, not the normal west to east movement. So these storms will move from north to south this afternoon, and we'll be watching again for the potential of hail. That's now around 9. At 9, I do think that a lot of the severe threat will kind of start to lower as it pushes towards the southwest, but we could still very well see a few thunderstorms in the area, especially along our western counties through the evening, with clearing out generally by around midnight. I do want to show you the University of North Texas tower camera that's overdented. Temperature right now is 78 degrees, so it is looking toasty, especially along our western counties. Now again, no active warnings in place, but we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in place until 4. And we will continue to watch these storms. We'll keep you posted on them if we see them ramping up. Of course, we will have the latest updates for you right here on WFAA Plus, WFAA.com. And of course, you can catch our newscast that starts at 4. We'll see you then.